Welcome to thetechnologycloset.com and this quick shot. This quick shot, we're going to install a third-party application that tends to simulate the actual Windows 7 interface and desktop. Now, there are a lot of people who are still not happy with this 8.1 version of Windows because it still does not give them the capability to have the type of interface that they're used to using on Windows 7. With the pre-release of Windows 8.1, if we go to the desktop, you'll notice that they did put this little window. If you click on the window, it just takes you back to the start screen. So let's go back to the desktop. If you right mouse click on the window, you get what's called the Windows X functions. This is not the same as having programs, jump lists, that sort of thing. You can add them, but they're not convenient and they don't look anything like Windows 7. So for those of you who work from the desktop and would like to go to Windows 8.1, Classic Shell has just been released, and it does do a very good job of simulating Windows 7 functionality from the desktop. And it's free. Open your browser and go to the Classic Shell website. www.classicshell.net, not .com, .net. They have just released a beta version of the software that will run on Windows 8.1, and download it. Now, we've already downloaded the file. I'm going to close the browser and go to our downloads folder. Oh, we've got two of them there. There we go. Downloads. And you can see we have Classic Shell. Let's start the installation. Again, there are no adware that I'm aware of that's installed with this software. I hate that stuff, and I don't want it cluttering up your system. So let's go through the installation. We do need admin rights to install it, so we'll click on yes. It's a very quick installation. When it's done, you just click the finish button. Now, this is opening up WordPad, which is a software package on your, and it's going to list all of the latest changes that are being made. You can read about that. But you notice it put a little shell on the bottom of our desktop in lieu of that little window. Let's click on the shell. Since we're first starting out, it wants us to select something that is classic, one of these particular three. I like the Windows 7 myself, so I'm just going to put a check at the radio button. I have it set to replace the start button. It's going to use the arrow, and it's going to give us hopefully a simulation of what it looks like with Windows 7, and functional too. Click OK. Well, now that it's installed, let's see what it looks like. Let's go over to the Shell button. It has Start. Click on it. And what do you know? It looks very similar. We have all our programs here, as you can see. We also have a control panel with all the control panel functions. We could add devices such as printers. We can default programs. We even have help and support. We even have a run screen that we can go to. We also have everything that's on here that we really need to make it look and feel and act like Windows 7 in launching various components. Try it. If you don't like it, you can uninstall it and you'll be back where you were. It's not a big problem. Well, that's it for this quick shot. Please visit our website at thetechnologycloset.com, and while you're there, check out our YouTube channel. Until next time.